Since we released this video, many are asking what the annual fees and token situation about Keto Plus would be like. Here comes the answer. First, please note that paid functions of Xsource machines and tools are universal. In other words, the system applies to every Xsource device. Now let's get to specific questions about Keto Plus. Question: is there a subscription fee or annual fee for Keto Plus? Nope, there is no subscription fee or annual fee for using Keto Plus. Likewise, there are no such fees for other Xsource devices like Keto Max, VVDI Prog, or VVDI MV2, etc. And updates of it are also free of charge. Question: does it need tokens? Yes, for 8048 clone, you need 1 token at a time. For Mercedes-Benz password calculation, 1 token is needed, and for all key lost, 2 tokens. For key programming of other cars like Volkswagen or Audi, it's totally free. Question: how do I get tokens? The first way, you can buy tokens from your dealer. The second way, after combining your Xsource machines with your account, you'll receive free token every day. Here's a chart showing how many tokens you'll receive if you combine Xsource machines. For example, if you combine Xsource Condo Mini with your account, you'll receive 1 free token every day. Other machines above work in the same way. But if you have 2 or more combined machines, you can get 2 free tokens per day at most. Please note that tokens are not cumulative. What about bonus points? 200 bonus points equal to 1 token. It can be used for 8048 clone or Mercedes-Benz password calculation. Question: how do I get bonus points? The first way is to generate Xsource new remotes. You will get bonus points after you complete remote generation of a new Xsource remote. And how many bonus points for different remotes? Please refer to the Xsource Universal Remote Bonus Point list. The second way is to send feedback to Xsource on app. Step 1. Open Xsource app. Step 2. Click I want to develop remotes. Step 3. Click I want to develop remotes again. Step 4. Fill out the application and then click Submit. Now it's done. Bonus points will be awarded after Xsource manual review. Question: will Keto Plus cost money in the future? Well, Xsource has been providing free upgrades for years, so the upgrade of the main functions of the tablet will still be free. However, for functions with greater breakthroughs, such as the support of Mercedes-Benz FBS4, we will charge a certain upgrade fee because of the large investment in the research and development. Question: I saw advanced version on the description of Keto Plus. What does it mean? Advanced version of Keto Plus means all the functions of it are available for use, and you can get the complete accessories of it like in the picture. What else do you want to know? Leave a comment down below. If you like this video and want to see more content, just subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and drop them down in the comment section below. See you next time!